Today I am going to draw a honeybee, so let's get started. First, draw eyes. For eyes, first draw a circle, then draw a dot in it. Now draw one more circle and draw a dot in it. Now draw a big circle for face. Then draw a small curves line for mouth. Draw two curved lines extending from the top of the head for the antennae. Now connect the head to the body with long curved lines. Add multiple curved lines for strips all around the body. Now draw legs attached to the body. Each leg should be bent in the middle. Draw two large, elongated oval shapes on one side of the thorax for the wings. They should be slightly transparent and overlap each other. Now, go over your marker to finalize the drawing and make it more prominent. Remember to take your time and adjust the details to your liking as you progress through each step. Erase any unnecessary guidelines. Now our drawing is completed. So it's time to add some colors. Color the honeybee using yellow and black for the body. By following these steps, you should have a detailed drawing of a honeybee.